Hey Art, check this out, man. This is fucking snow, man. I just made a video that I'm gonna post. A one last QRP contact video for 17 meters using my 17 meter straggler. That's what I'm calling it. My 17 meter straggler wire. It's a parasite on the side of the Michigan cacti. Anyway, we'll go. My SWR was all over the place. Hang on. I'm going to post one last QRP contact video. This one on 17 meters. This fellow, he's another station in Belize. He's a Victor 31 Hotel Echo. I noticed that he is giving people honest signal reports, so what do I give him? I'm going to turn the volume up for a second and show you the S meter. Well, you'll see. With the IPO function turned on, meaning no RF amps on the input, I have no registering noise level. And he was, gosh, I can't remember. I think he was an S3 or an S5. There's a lot of QSB today on 17 meters, but you'll see what I mean. Here he comes. So what do I give him? That's with amp 1. That's with amp 2. That's with no amp. So what do I give him? A 509 or a 599? The answer is it doesn't have anything to do with the S meter. It's a judgmental call. It's not objective, it's subjective. And it depends on many variables. I'm going to pause this. Another thing I noticed, although when he finishes a contact, I don't hear anybody else calling him, nor does he call CQ, but then he'll come back just a moment later with another station's call sign. So he's got people calling him. He doesn't need to call CQ. And I hear none of it because, well, we're on 18 megahertz. I don't hear the folks here in the United States too much. So I'm going to pause this and we'll try giving him a call, but I've got competition out there even though I can't hear him. Huh. Nope. I'm sitting behind the phone, behind my pocket typewriter that's recording this movie, drinking my coffee and losing my voice. Now that's fun, man. You know, that's pretty fun. Not a long contact. I'm just swing this around like I always do. You people are going to be glad when I'm done recording this stupid shit, aren't you? Where is he? God, my pocket typewriter. Well, I tried, man. I tried. That's the path. Okay, I'm holding my Panavice pocket typewriter tripod in hand, as teenagers say. I'm gonna zoom back in. Let's see what we can do. It's as good as it gets. That's all I can do. To Andy in Belize. Why, yeah, YouTuber I'm not, nor will I ever be. I wish I could produce a decent video worth watching, but oh well. So, I'm going to take my thumb off this phone. So that was a V31 Hotel Echo in Belize on 18.081. At my local time is 3:09 in the afternoon. So anyone that stumbles across this and suffered through it, I congratulate you, sir. I congratulate you, madam. You're a stronger man or woman than I. 73.